comfort and safety, please remain seated and keep your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Please leave all carry-on items stowed and keep the aisles clear until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Before leaving, please be sure you have all your belongings. Be careful when opening the overhead bins, because baggage may have moved and could fall out. American Airlines and our One World Alliance partners thank you for flying with us today. We hope to see you again soon on another American Airlines flight.
Welcome to the Miami International Airport, ladies and gentlemen. Local time is approximately 2:50 in the afternoon. Once again, on behalf of the entire crew, we want to thank you for flying with us. We know that you have a choice from traveling by air, and we appreciate the interest of you at American, a member of the One World Alliance.